Securing the livability of cities in the future depends on how we harness communications and information technology, ICT.
We're going towards, at the 2050 horizon, a projection of 6 billion urban dwellers on our planet. So it's incredibly important that we get cities right in the future. And technology plays an incredibly important role in ensuring that we make disproportionate gains. So technology, whether it's regarding information sharing for transportation or healthcare, water, or really anything, any of the components that make up the city of tomorrow, has the potential to drastically improve the way we live our lives at a relatively limited cost. So it's a potential game changer.
Cities are 2% of the planet's surface, they're 50% of the population, they're 75% of energy consumption, 80% of CO2 emission. So if we're able to do something to run our cities more efficiently, then that's a big deal. What is happening today with cities is similar to what happened over the past 20 years in Formula One. 20 years ago, if you wanted to win a race, you just use a good car and a good driver, and then you win the race. But today you actually need a lot of telemetry. You need sensors onto the car, thousands of sensors, understanding what's going on and making decisions in real time. And for the first time today, our cities are becoming like real-time control systems. So the same is happening in our cities with a lot of ability to sense what is happening in the city and to react to it. And the consequence of this is that we can actually have cities that are more efficient and respond better to the human needs.
Yeah, communications technology is going to completely transform the world. Right now we have what I call UNIS, Universal Network of Intelligent Conscious Entities. So those conscious entities are humans. However, in the future, those conscious entities may also become non-human, in which case you'll also have this network, artificial intelligence network, and it's still going to be able to determine the allocation of resources, issues related to the democratic distribution of all kinds of things in society, and it'll help us to govern ourselves better.
The Economist Future Cities Conference in Stockholm was sponsored by Ericsson.
It's incredibly important for the private sector to understand better what it's like to be a public official, what the view is like from the mayor's office. Because that's very complicated. It's a tough job to be a mayor. Similarly, I think it's really important for City Hall, for example, to better understand what companies, what technology providers, for example, can really do, and to better understand how they think. So I think bringing those two sectors together is incredibly important to making a difference.